Alright, here's a really shitty H2O2 generator I made this afternoon. I'm using just regular iron in there instead of stainless, because that's all I had on hand, so it corrodes really fast, and you don't really get a lot of bubbles out of it, but it does work. Let me just plug it in. I'm just using a battery charger. So you can see it is making some bubbles, but I have a hose that's way too big of diameter and it's too long, so by the time that it actually purges all the normal air out of the line, I really don't have a whole lot of hydrogen left. Last time I only filled it to about here, so I had to also purge this oxygen in here. That's why I filled it as close to the brim as I could this time. This will be less air to purge out. But it seems to be bubbling pretty good right now. You can see the water's already starting to turn green, and there's flakes that are coming off the iron. It's starting to go now. See if we can get any bubbles. See, I'll get a few here, but they're not going to be very flammable because it's mostly just the air that's being pushed out of the line. And now it's starting to turn pretty nasty. Let's see if we can get any of these to pop. Yep, there's some hydrogen. Let's give it another go here. There's a good one. I know I'm doing this really close to the generator there, but it's not producing enough where I'm really worried about it. So yep, took me about 2.5 hours. It doesn't work very well, but I guess it's just kind of a proof of concept and a prototype.